Hi plant friends, welcome back. I hope you're enjoying these Vlogmas videos. I've got more plant mail. I found the seller on Instagram, so I placed an order to check them out. Look at these astrophytums, aren't they beautiful? Variegated at that, just wonderful. This plant has been on my wish list for quite a while, so when I saw this online I had to order two, and they were 30 bucks each. The name of the vendor on Instagram is Lucky Flower Greenhouse. They're bare rooted, so it's going to take a while for them to establish roots. They're still nice and firm though. Potting these up will be super easy. I'll be using regular potting soil, but it does have a lot of perlite, so it's well draining. I've mounted the media to ensure that the cactus makes full contact with the media. And that's it. It's that easy, plant friends. Plant friends, these are going to require a lot of patience. It's going to take some time for them to establish roots. No water for the first week, and I'm placing them in the IKEA cabinet where it's nice and warm. Plant friends, it's been a week, so let's have a look and see how they're doing. They're looking good. They're being kept nice and warm. They are under the grow light. It's about at a level 2 out of a 10 in terms of light level. Time to give these babies some water, and it's a light watering just to add a little bit of humidity to the soil. Plant friends, here's the Instagram account and the post that I saw. They had a good variety of plants available, and the price wasn't too bad as well. I also noticed on their Instagram page that sometimes they have Hoyas and orchids. Here's the picture that prompted my order. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.